where we are given an integer array, we have to return the most frequent even element. And if there's a tie, we return the smallest number. And if there's no such element, return -1. So before starting, I think I'll just create a separate method just for checking if it's even or odd. So this will help us to determine which numbers to be added. And for solving this problem, I'm going to use a hash map. Then we'll just traverse through the list of numbers we have in the array. So this is a for each loop I'm using. So if is even, so if the hash map already contains it, contains key, I believe. So we're just incrementing it, else we'll insert it. So essentially we're just initializing a hash map. We're traversing the list of numbers and we are just putting a count of the even number and the number of time it's occurring. So at the end of this, if the hash map is empty, then we know that there's no even element. So we have to return -1. Else we'll have to traverse all the even elements and get the count. And then we'll have to see if it's the maximum value. So in order to save that, I'll just say int max equal to so we're using a for each loop similar to how we used it before. So this is essentially we're retrieving the count, and if the count is greater than, which is actually, let's add a variable to the result as well. So if it's greater than the max, then max is equal to, and the result should be the number since it has the highest count until now. If they both are equal, so we're trying to fix this one, return the smallest one. So we'll just have to compare the result, if the result, and see if it's the current number is less than result. So let's test this one. So all three have, of our use cases have passed. So let's go ahead and submit. So we beat 54%. I guess there are a couple of improvements we could have made to the solution. So let's go back. I mean, looking at it right now, I'm thinking instead of traversing it twice, we could have moved this logic inside. So while we are traversing the numbers in the array, we can also keep a count of which is the min and which is the max at that time. So let's try that. So let's move this to the top. Let's see if this works. So essentially we are doing the same thing, except that instead of having two for each loops, we'll do it in a single for each, where we are going to keep a count and we'll keep incrementing it. And then we compare it to see that if this is the maximum occurring value or not. So let's try this one. So yeah, all three use cases pass, and we'll try submitting again. Okay, it's slightly better. So yeah, thank you for joining me, and yeah, please subscribe.